Understanding Invoicing Software, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very useful term in the business world, invoicing software. Whether you're running a business, working in one, or just curious about how businesses manage their finances, understanding this concept is key. So, let's dive in and learn about invoicing software together. Invoicing software is a digital tool that helps businesses create, send, and manage invoices. An invoice is a document that businesses send to their clients or customers, detailing the products or services provided and the amount due for payment. Invoicing software automates this process, making it quicker, more accurate, and easier to track. These programs can generate invoices automatically, send reminders for payments, and even process payments online. Invoicing software comes with a variety of features that make it a valuable asset for businesses. Some of the key features include automated invoice creation. The software generates invoices automatically based on the services or products provided. Customizable templates. Users can choose different templates to match their brand and style. Payment tracking. The software tracks which invoices have been paid and which are still pending. Reminders and alerts. Automated reminders can be sent to clients for upcoming or overdue payments. Integration with other tools. Often, invoicing software can integrate with other business tools like accounting software, CRM systems, and more. Using invoicing software offers several benefits. Saves time. Automation of invoice creation and distribution saves significant time. Reduces errors. Automated systems minimize the risk of human error in calculations and data entry. Improves cash flow. Efficient invoicing can lead to quicker payments, improving the cash flow of the business. Enhances professionalism. Well-designed invoices add to the professionalism of a business. Easy access and management. Digital invoices can be accessed from anywhere and are easier to manage and organize. Invoicing software is beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses. These businesses can manage their finances more efficiently. Freelancers, for managing payments and keeping track of multiple clients. Large corporations, they benefit from advanced features like integration with other corporate systems. Service providers, such as consultants, lawyers, or marketing agencies, who regularly bill their clients. We hope this video has helped you understand what invoicing software is and why it's so important in today's business world. It's not just about sending bills, it's about efficiency, accuracy, and professionalism. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just learning about business practices, knowing about invoicing software is definitely beneficial. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.